Sa video natin today, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng clean and professional na landing page sa Hostinger. If you ever wanted a simple one-page site to collect leads, mag-promote ng offer, or mag-test ng idea without dealing with code or mga complicated na tools, para sa itong tutorial na to. What's up guys? Ako si Ashley, and by the end of the video, alam mo na exactly kung paano mag-start mag-build ng page from scratch inside Hostinger step by step. So, ayun, let's get into it. Start muna tayo sa basics. Ano ba talaga ang Hostinger? So, ang Hostinger is a hosting platform pero meron din silang website builder. Yung website builder nila is drag and drop and lets you design, mag-edit at mag-publish ng sarili mong site ng super bilis lang. Built-in na siya mismo sa hosting or hosting account mo, so you don't need to install extra software or use separate dashboard. Lahat ng kailangan mo from templates and fonts hanggang forms and analytics, nandyan na, built-in talaga. Pili ka lang ng layout, i-customize mo siya visually, tapos hit publish na. Perfect siya lalo na for small business owners, creators, or freelancers na gusto ng modern website pero ayaw makipag-deal sa technical setup or kung anong-anong plugins pa. Before tayo mag-start, quick overview muna kung ano ba talaga nagpapa-standout sa Hostinger. First is yung drag and drop editor. Ibig sabihin, pwede mong galawin yung elements like text, images, buttons, and forms anywhere on your page visually. Wala kang kailangan isipin na code or complicated na layout grid. Second, it includes AI tools that can help you generate text, images, or even entire website layouts based on your niche or goal. Kung hindi ka sure kung anong isusulat mo or paano i-design yung page mo, bibigyan ka nito ng magandang starting point. Third, may built-in SEO, email, forms, and integrations na siya, so pwede mong i-connect yung mga tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or kahit yung email platform mo diretso through the dashboard. And finally, mabilis siya. Kilala ang Hostinger sa bilis niya. So, yung landing page mo maglo-load super quick, which really does matter lalo na kung gumagastos ka sa ads or nagpapatakbo ka ng campaigns. Okay, now let's go ahead at simulan na natin kung paano to gawin. Kung wala ka pang hosting account, may link kami sa description below. Pwede kang makakuha ng access sa hosting plan. Once na-click mo yung link na yon, piliin mo lang kung anong plan ang gusto mo. I-go over natin yung prices mamaya towards the end. May really good prices sila right now and meron din silang Black Friday deal. Once na nandito ka na, ganito yung itsura ng dashboard. So meron tayong home, websites, domains, horizons, emails, email marketing, VPS, billing, and marketplace. Punta tayo sa website and as you can see, may ilang sites tayo dito. Pero i-click natin yung add website tapos piliin natin yung Hostinger. So what you can do is use AI to create a website for you or pwede ka rin pumili sa pre-made templates nila, kumuha ng link ng bio website. Sige, gamitin natin as an example yung wedding photography business. Click create website. Wow, mga 20 seconds lang yun at nakagawa ka na agad ng landing page. So as you can see, full-on website talaga siya. You can always remove this navigation. Just let it be the homepage as a landing page. Tapos pwede mo ring palitan yung color palettes dito. Kung gusto mo ng medyo mas neutral yung look or baka gusto mo ng deep greens na vibe, i-click lang natin yung continue. Ngayon, pwede na natin siyang i-customize directly dito mismo. As you can see, nandito lang ang mga elements. So, pwede ka mag-add ng specific element like text, button, or image. Meron din silang pages dito sa side. So, kung gusto nating i-hide sa navigation, pwede tayo pumunta dito at i-hide natin to para maging specific landing page na lang talaga siya. Okay, and then nandito naman lahat ng styles mo. Kung gusto mong i-check yung fonts, yung buttons, pati yung animations, andito lang din. Meron silang AI tools like AI Image Generator, AI Writer, Page Generator, Blog Generator, and so much more. You can add appointments in here, mag-check ng analytics, tignan ang media library mo, and marami pang iba. Pero again, parang drag and drop editor lang siya. Ginawa nila tong super easy gawin. And then kung gusto mo, pwede ka mag-add ng section dito and dito makikita mo yung mga pre-built sections nila. So kung gusto mo ng section about, alam mo yon, yung specific services mo, kung gusto mo ng contact form, kung gusto mo ng resume, or kung gusto mo ng slideshow, kahit Instagram feed pa, pwede mong i-add lahat dito really easily. So every landing page nagsisimula sa strong na first impression, which is yung hero section mo. Dapat meron kang may image or video, tapos make sure na idagdag mo yung headline mo. Keep mo lang siyang short, clear, at very benefit-driven. Sa ilalim nun, dapat may button ka na para alam agad ng mga tao kung paano ka i-contact or paano mag-book sa'yo. Then sa ilalim nun, explain mo naman ano ba talaga ang work mo, right? Pwede mo rin ilagay ulit kung ano yung passion mo, ano yung experience mo, and definitely dapat may testimonials ka din. Kasi yung mga tao bumibili kung saan bumibili rin yung ibang tao. Gusto nilang malaman na trustworthy ka. And then, maganda rin kung meron kang mas specific na services section. Tapos, lagyan mo ng contact form sa baba. Pero again, if you wanted to add anything else, maybe you wanna add some sort of form. Okay, so ngayon gawa na tayo ng short description, something na gusto nating idagdag. So, pwede ba tayong gumawa ng form para makapag-fill out agad yung mga tao ng name, email, phone number, wedding date, wedding venue, pati maybe some Pinterest images, kung ano yung peg na gusto nila, mga ganyang bagay. Then, we will just let the AI do its thing. Amazing. Okay, so obviously, hindi siya perfect. I-update natin to. So, name, email, phone number, mag-add tayo ng paragraph. Okay, ano yung vibe na gusto natin for your wedding? Ibigay mo lahat ng details na yan. Para ma-make sure na align tayo, you can add more fields if you would like. Tapos pwede mo ring iset na required yung field. Syempre, gusto nating mag-match to sa brand natin. Gusto natin na yung style, same din sa rest ng landing page, okay? Tapos pwede mong i-click yung save. Tapos gusto mo ring i-customize yung fonts, yung colors, and make sure talaga na fit siya sa brand mo. Dapat lagi mong i-double check kung ano yung itsura sa mobile. And sobrang dali lang gawin yun. Pwede mo ring ilipit-lipat yung mga elements kung kailangan mo. Once na ready ka na mag-go live, kailangan mo ring mag-connect ng domain. Make it pretty simple. Sundan mo lang yung steps sa Hostinger and madali mong mako-connect yung domain mo. Okay? So now, you understand how to build a landing page with their website builder. Pag-usapan naman natin yung mga pros and cons. Ikaw nang mag-decide kung ito ba yung tamang website builder para sa'yo kasi ang dami talagang options dyan. One of the biggest pros of hosting your website builder is how fast at easy to use. Hindi mo kailangan mag-install ng plugins, mag-manage ng themes, or mag-worry tungkol sa maintenance. Ginagawa lahat visually gamit yung drag and drop editor so kahit never ka pang nakagawa ng website before, may live ka kaagad. Literal na na-create yun in 30 seconds. Another pro is yung speed and reliability. Si Hostinger na yung nag-handle both ng hosting at ng builder. Mabilis talaga mag-load yung site at secure pa. That's important if you're using it for ads, email opt-ins, or product launches. Helpful din yung AI tools nila lalo na kung hindi mo alam kung saan nagsisimula. You can generate text, design, layouts, or kahit buong website mo, ipagawa mo na sa AI nila. The main downside is that it's less flexible than WordPress kung gusto mo ng heavy customization, custom scripts, or complex automation. Pwedeng medyo ma-feel mo limited yung builder ng Hostinger, pero for most landing pages, it has everything you need built in. Another con is minsan, sa mga templates, medyo mahirap galawin o i-move yung ibang elements. Kung sobrang importante sa'yo yung customization, baka hindi ito yung best fit for you. So, yung website builder nila is included na sa most ng hosting plans nila. So, I wanted to talk about what their actual hosting plans look like. Kung gusto mo tong i-check out, may link kami sa description below. And like I said, they've got up to 85% off right now for their Black Friday deal. So, kung pinag-iisipan mo pa to, now is definitely the time to jump in. So, meron silang premium website builder at business website builder. Yung premium website builder is $1.95 per month lang and good na siya for 48 months. Plus, may extra 2 months ka pang libre. With this, you can create 1 website, 5 website pages, may certain amount ka ng storage, may free domain ka for 1 year, pwede ka mag-build ng site in minutes, pumili ng 170 templates at marami pang iba. Then meron silang business website builder na naka 85% off, kaya nagiging $2.75 per month na lang. Plus may 2 months free ka pa. With this plan, pwede kang gumawa ng 50 websites, unlimited pages, 50 gigabytes of storage, 5 mailboxes per website, at kasama na rin lahat ng nasa premium plan but sell up to 1,000 products. The AI image generator and all the AI that I showed you, pwede mo ring i-turn yung clicks into customers gamit yung link in bio, optimize your content with AI SEO, and so much more. Meron din silang 30-day money-back guarantee, so kung mafe-feel mo na hindi siya yung best fit para sa'yo, pwede mo makuha ulit yung pera mo. But again, pwede kang makasave ng 85% right now. I highly recommend jumping in before the deal ends. So, dapat mo bang gamitin ng Hostinger website builder? Kung gusto mong mag-launch ng landing page quickly without dealing with code, hosting setup, at mga complicated na tools, ang Hostinger's website builder is such a great choice. Perfect siya for small business owners, content creators, at kahit sino na gusto mag-collect ng leads, mag-promote ng event, or mag-validate ng idea without overcomplicating things. You get a clean design, built-in forms, SEO tools, and fast hosting all in one dashboard. Kung gusto mo ng mas maraming control later on, you can always upgrade your plan or connect additional tools as your business grows. Alam ko kung gaano ka-overwhelming magsimula from scratch, especially when you just need a simple landing page at ayaw mong gumugol ng Wix kakaisip at kaka-figure out ng lahat ng tech. A Hostinger's builder makes the process super straightforward, and once na matry mo na siya, marirealize mo kung gaano kabilis gumawa ulit ng more pages para sa future projects mo. And if you want to check out Hostinger at makapag-save ng 85% off with their Black Friday promotion, make sure na gamitin mo yung link namin sa description below. Gusto ko lang i-mention na affiliate links to, which means pwede kaming kumita ng small commission at no extra cost to you. Kung pipiliin mo yung links namin, thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. Malaking tulong to para makapag-continue kami gumawa ng free content and tutorials tulad nito. Huwag kalimutan i-like ang video, mag-subscribe sa channel namin kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. And of course, mag-drop ng kahit anong question sa baba. We'd love to hear from you. Dedicated ang channel na to sa pagtulong sa beginners, mag-build ng website, mag-launch ng digital products at gumawa ng simple online income streams kahit walang tech background. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.